Inside the hybrid carry bag, this is what you get. Aluminium poles, adjustable tree straps, the tent hammock itself, and an insulating fly sheet which has a hydrostatic head of 6,000 millimeters. When setting up the Crua Hybrid as a hammock, the ideal distance or span is something between 3.5 meters and 5.5 meters. Here we have 4.5 meters or 16 feet. This should be perfect, so we're going to set it up here. Here we have the adjustable tree strap. It's 2.9 meters long, about 9 feet, which means between the two, you have plenty of scope for adjustment. In the new and improved Crua Hybrid, we've made a couple of neat changes. First thing is the fly sheet is now insulating. It radiates the heat back in for those colder days. The structure poles have been reduced from 3 to 2 lightweight aluminium poles, and we've completely now removed the cord spreader bar that used to run across here and replaced it with a lightweight aluminium pole running across the bottom of the frame. Here we can see some of the features of the Crua Hybrid. We have the bug mesh, obviously the fly sheet, pockets inside for your valuables. You can enter through the top when it's in tent form or on either side as well. Here we have the Crua Hybrid staked out on the ground in its tent format. You can see it's staked in all the corners and also at the ends. The same guy lines work at the ends that were used when it was hanging as a hammock as well. This is quite a large one-person bivvy tent. You can access from either side through the bug mesh and the fly sheet, and also through the top of the tent here. There's also plenty of storage, loaded with features inside, as we said. Plenty of storage here for a backpack or your boots or whatever you want to do to keep outside the tent at night. We've taken away this pole from the bottom of the frame now. You don't need it when it's in its tent format. Again, lightening the whole load if you just want to use it as a tent. If you want to turn your one-person bivvy tent into a two-person tent, remember that the Crua Hybrids actually zip together. There's a zip that runs all the way around. There's a left and a right which match seamlessly. And you just take down the mesh in between, and all of a sudden you have the space of a two-person tent. So there you have it, folks. The Crua Hybrid hammock tent works just as well as a bivvy tent on the ground as it does in the air as a hammock. Another brilliant example of innovation from Crua Outdoors.
This is the keynote from Gerber. No knife can do it all, but this one comes close. Deployment of the dual-use blade is initiated with the starter tab and finished with your thumb or a nail nick. The blade is stout, giving you both a scraping and a cutting edge. And you get all that in a compact format you can wear on a belt, in a pocket, or on a keychain. It's available in 2 colors. Out on the town or around the house, the Keynote can multitask like no other.
The one thing you can always count on is Murphy's Law. What can go wrong? Well, you know the rest. That's why being ready and prepared with Titan Survival can make all the difference. Titan's emergency survival blankets are made of the same polyethylene material originally developed for NASA's space program. It's perfect for all emergency situations and all kinds of weather due to its waterproof and tear-free material that will help prevent hypothermia and shock by reflecting up to 90% of the user's body heat. Each 5-pack comes with individually wrapped 52 by 82-inch blankets that are sealed shut and take up minimum space for storage. Each blanket is both reusable and versatile and can be used as a blanket, a poncho, a signal or distress beacon, and for shade and wind protection. A must-have for your go bag or emergency kit, Titan's emergency survival blankets will keep you ready for whatever's around the corner.
Made in the good old US of A. Made in the USA. The new Extremis True Military Spec 5040 Type 3 Paracord. The new Extremis True Mil-Spec 5040 Type 3 Paracord is proudly made in the USA to exacting standards for the ultimate in reliability and strength. There are thousands of uses for paracord when camping, hiking, hunting, fishing, or for emergency and tactical purposes. Extremis Paracord is a must-have for just about everybody. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a survivalist, or a homeowner, you'll find that these are great for making your own paracord bracelets, belts, handles, and many other needs and projects. This Extremis Paracord is manufactured to true Mil-Spec 5040 Type 3 military government standards. There is a total of 7 nylon strands that are each made up of 3 individual spiral wrapped strands, plus an additional tracer strand. Together, they provide over 550 pounds of durable breaking strength. You can trust that the Extremis paracord is some of the best paracord on the market. This paracord is ready for even the toughest of challenges. Each strand is UV resistant and also light and heat resistant. The color fast dyes resist fading, so your paracord stays looking as good as the day you bought it in even the toughest of conditions. Staying color fast is very important if you are using Extremis paracord for crafts or tactical applications such as bracelets, belts, tactical slings, and hundreds of other projects. The beauty of this paracord is it comes in a resealable storage bag. To avoid waste and to save money, select from one of 3 different available lengths. One of these is certain to be perfect for your specific application. You can select from 25 foot, 50 foot, or even 100 foot lengths in each packaging and in resealable plastic bags. That makes it the perfect option for storage and organization. One great bonus when it comes to the Extremis paracord is it's available in 5 of the most popular and important colors for the active outdoor enthusiast. 5 color fast colors include black, camo green, a high visibility orange, white, and a desert sand. Thousands of uses for this cord when it comes to camping, hiking, hunting, fishing, or making your own paracord projects, from belts, tools, bracelets, slings, and all kinds of other practical and even impractical applications.
Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Leon Ma designed Eaton tool. This is one of our very most popular products of all time, and with good reason. Basically, it is a glorified spork, a spork on steroids, if you will. You've got your spoon there, as well as your fork tines right there. You got a bottle opener that works very nicely. Right here we have a cutout for your hand so you can grip it nicely. And the thing about that is it's going to cut down on the weight significantly. This tool only weighs 1.5 ounces. So if you're looking for something for backpacking or just something light for your kit, for your car kit or camping, this is a great little tool. You've got a little flathead screwdriver there, kind of a chisel point on the end right there. And then you've got 3 metric wrenches. You've got a 10 millimeter, an 8 millimeter, and a 6 millimeter. Comes with a carabiner, so you can clip it to your backpack, clip it to your pants, your gear, that sort of thing. Now I love this tool. I have a black one myself. I take it camping all the time and highly enjoy it. It comes in black as well as your orange. I believe we call that tangerine is the official color name on that one. Fuchsia, which is to say pink, and we have a yellow one as well. The colorful ones have a little bit more high visibility, so you're less likely to lose it in camp. So keep that in mind when you're selecting your color. Anyway, it is a very cool tool designed by Leon Ma and available all over the place. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to visit our website. And thank you for buying, using, and eating off of CRKT tools. Thanks and have a great day.